thermoplastic polyurethane o yung TFU. Anti-gravity phone cases at saka itong nanosuction technology. So, dito natin makikita yung chemistry. Okay? Itong thermoplastic polyurethane, para tong yung polyurethane na lang nandun yung chemistry. So, kaya may chemistry sa mga IT, computer science, computer engineering na subject. Because yung word na polyurethane. Okay? Yung anti-gravity phone cases naman is gumagamit ng nanosuction technology para yung kahit na anong object yung mobile phone natin is hindi, diba, matapunan siya, protected pa rin yung cellphone, yung especially yung LCD niya, yung liquid crystal display niya, yun yung ginagawa ng thermoplastic polyurethane. So yung nanosuction technology is a technology that uses vacuum, negative fluid, pressure, and nanosuction cups para yung object is yung object na to, yung liquid na pumatak dun sa object is hindi makasira. Or hindi, kasi pag tinamaan ng tubig yan, kahit na anong bagay, lumalabo or nasisira. Pag merong ganitong nanosuction technology, nagiging non-porous yung surface niya. Okay, dahil doon sa negative fluid and pressure. May pressure siyang nilalagay para hindi makasira yung tatapon. Ngayon yung tubig, itong baso ko, di ba? Pag natapunan tong cellphone ko, meron tong TFU . So, protected yung cellphone ko. So, yan. IT, natin yan, information technology vlog natin ngayong araw. So, yun lang po.